Last time on She Rules the Waves, we finally left Limhamn and started the long sail around Scania towards our midsummer night dream on the island of Hanö. We made it as far as Kåseberga and ended a long day at the historic ship barrow on the hills. But let's move on, shall we? Hi, my name is Linus Jackson and I'm a sailor, musician and father of two. I bought my boat Sedna in Italy and have spent the last 2 seasons sailing her to her new home in the south of Sweden. It's been an incredible journey, but now it's time to roll up the sleeves and get her ready for the adventures to come. Okay, so we left Kåseberga early this morning. It's very swelly.
Yes.
But it's not exactly windy, is it?
Nope.
No. And it's not exactly warm. Woohoo! But these wells are pretty cool. There's a beautiful beach over there with not many people on it because it's like 10 degrees. Seriously, 10 degrees. Lighthouse of Sandhammaren, the sand hammer. This is Simrishamn. We're just stopping by. The plan was to just tie up in Simrishamn for about an hour, get some groceries and make a quick crew change, but then this happened. Nej! Fuck, en tamp i... Säkerligen en tamp i... Propellern.
Va? Vad har vi på?
Jag vet jag inte.
En våg?
Nej, okej. Eller? Vi får se. Nej, det går. Nej, det går inte. Något har fastnat.
Hur?
Kan du ropa på honom? Är de svenskar? Ja, det är en kille där. Se om du kan kasta en tamp till honom.
Vi behöver lite hjälp, motorn har dött.
I think we got something in the prop.
We have something in the propeller.
Okay.
Do you think I can do this? Oh my god! Good work!
Det är den här. Helvete.
Vadå?
Vår egen jävla lina.
Vadå?
Pissskit också.
Vilken lina?
Den som satt på mitten. Needless to say, my language in the remainder of this clip would get some kind of PG rating. But the thing is that getting my own line stuck in the prop like this has been one of my main fears during the entire trip back from Italy. Especially going through all the locks when the lines are tied up in place all the time. But it only takes a second of inattention and the mistake is made. I was so not looking forward to dive down in the murky and freezing water to cut ourselves loose. I really don't want to swim in this water. But then, the German guy who helped us gave me a tip on how to possibly solve the situation without having to dive. Så här är det alltså nu. Om vi kommer upp så ska jag visa och så ska vi se om vi kan försöka hitta en bästa scenario-fix.
Ja.
Den här mellan, eller mitttampen här. Ja, så ramlat i vattnet och sitter där så.
Ja.
Kommit in och sitter med fast propellern. Det som vi kan testa här är att jag gör som han sa, att jag testar att lägga den bara i back.
Ja, och se om den snurrar
Och
tillbaka.
se om den av någon anledning lossnar lite.
Ja, kan vi kanske dra lite? Eller
Ja, men akta fingrarna. Dra i den men akta fingrarna.
Ja.
And that's when the footage ended. Okay, so we are now in Simrishamn. And as you could hear on the clips before, it was a little drama because one of the lines got stuck in the prop. But we actually managed to drift in, and the German guy from that boat helped us. And then we actually managed to get the line out without having to swim, which is good because it's like, well, 11 or 12 degrees in the water here. I really wouldn't want to do that. So, heads up to my crew. They really stepped up and we made it. Very relieved, we took a stroll into town to get some groceries. We sadly had to say goodbye to Tossa, but happily welcomed me in her place. And before we knew it, we were off again to cross the Bay of Hanö. Me and our old crew. Alright, here we go again, heading for Blekinge. Whoa, 7.5! Yay! Here you can see that it's going to be about a mile from us in about 14 minutes. About a mile or just over a mile away. Looks like really close. Hellevik, our goal for tonight. Miles, really fast. It was like 6.4 or something, and top 7.9. Cheers. Yes, this day's crossing was nothing short of amazing. We flew over the bay on a beam reach and arrived in Hellevik, normally the home port of my parents' boat, Kajsa, although she was still on the hard at this time. And come to think of it, there were actually a pretty unusual shortage of boats on the guest dock. Culinary excellence in Hellevik, Blekinge, Sweden, 2024. And with our bellies full of food, we settled down in the cockpit to enjoy the sunset with some music and beer. The moon came up, we took a stroll to the beach, and it was generally a beautiful evening. Thanks a million for joining our adventures. Tomorrow we'll move on to the island of Hanö for some midsummer night craziness. To be sure not to miss that, you should click the subscribe button and the little bell too. Ganska mysigt. And while you're at it, you should really go to patreon.com/herulesthewaves and check out the perks of becoming a part of our inner circle. But if you want to help us without spending money, you can always give this video a thumbs up, start a conversation in the comment section, and share the channel with your friends and family, and even your enemies. Anything to boost the algorithm, right? So, while we try some mixology... Bartender, Fredrik. He's got the right tools. Mojito, Freddy style. Let's try it.
Okej.
Jag drack utan att skåla.
Whoa. There's some power in that one. We'll just say, until next time, take care.